say go to Monroe Fair, right?
Well, this is for like this main entrance right here.
Oh.
Look at this thing.
Oh.
These people be making bank if they live there.
Wow. Dang, they making bank too. This place is popping. It's one of the largest.
Well, it's because it's Friday night.
Yeah, it's one of the largest fairs.
Plus, the library's taking donations for parking.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Let's see where my mom's at.
Oh, look at that Nova.
The blue one?
Yup. If only we owned one of these houses, we could
I know, right?
banking right now. These people's yards are stuffed. Stuffed with cars. Ooh, look at this. Is that my Maverick?
No, it's not.
Just kidding.
Yes,
Banking.
honey?
Banking.
I am here.
Park here, guys. Park here. He is mad. He was really mad. Look at him. What is up, you guys? Nothing really crazy today. I'm about to be washing my daily driver, and I don't know, maybe some more landscaping. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out though, right? So we're getting all of our cleaning supplies. Let's see, and then we're gonna go head to the car and clean it.
Car.
Yep, we're watching Deda's car. And not like everybody wants to see this, but it's what I'm doing, so why not vlog?
Fire!
Fire!
Right here.
Oh my gosh. It's a fire.
That's the fire.
No, that's the neighbor's fire.
Shoot.
Alright guys, today's our bridal shower and we just got here and Av's sleeping. Avery, Av, wake up. Av, come on, wake up. Well, I parked next to a supercharged A6. Let's go. Watch for cars. What is up, you guys? Today we're gonna be working on the Jetta. Like I said, the oil cooler was leaking. Coolant had oil in it, and I'm assuming it was the oil cooler because that's the first thing that goes bad in these. As you see, coolant ball is disgusting, so we're gonna be swapping that out. And I have my little helpers right here. Hey, you helping me? Okay, we gotta change out the oil filter. Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now. I got my old one from my spare motor, and we're gonna be dropping the old one. You got it?
I got it.
Good job. Good job. Oh, watch yourself. All right, guys. So you got your oil cooler right here. Obviously, you take your oil filter off, and then you have a 27 millimeter nut that comes off. And then we also have our coolant lines right here that we gotta take off. But otherwise, it's pretty simple. Drop your oil filter, and yeah, 27 millimeter nut. We're gonna drop it off.
You can do it, Dada.
What do you mean you can't do it?
You can do it.
You can do it. You gonna help me?
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. Okay, hold on. Okay. Alright, we're lowering her down.
Excuse me, Dada.
Hang on, I'm working on my car. I know you're trying to help and all, but I'm really working on it.
I fix you. You fix. Dada. I can't fix.
Okay, watch yourself.
It's oil.
Can you say oil? Oil.
Evil.
Oil. All right, we got our new one. Sissies, what are you doing?
I hope.
Let me get my nut ready.
Got it.
You got it. Good job. Don't let it fall on your face.
No.
That'll hurt you.
Thank you.
Okay, new one on.
I'll fix. Let's see how to fix.
Alright. Hold on.
I'll reach it. I'm gonna reach it. You can't.
You can't reach it.
I can't. Ouch.
New one is on. Let's tighten her down.
What?
What?
My turn. My turn. My turn. I play fixing.
You guys gotta get along here. Excuse me.
Here you go. You want this one? No.
I don't want oil on you.
Mommy, or me. Get out of my head. I tried friction. It's very yucky, Evan.
Yeah, it's very yucky.
It's very yucky, Evan. Go hit you. Don't fix it. Go fix. Go hit me. Fix.
Give me. Well, from the looks of it, I think Mother Nature's got the best of us. If it does slow down, I might pull this car into the garage and get it done. I really want to get this car back on the road so I can start using it because my miles are getting pretty high on the lease. So, sure, it's like I always try to do something and something sets me back. But it's starting to slow down. Who knows? I'll get it done. All right, guys. So I'm about to start this thing up. I cleaned out my reservoir. I do have the radiator hose hooked up or disconnected down here. See right here, and I'm about to start this thing up. And then we're gonna pull it back here, and then I'm just gonna keep flushing water through it and let it idle until all the oil gets out. This would be a good thumbnail. So yeah, about the car, pull the car back over there and let some water run through it. Well, you know, it is filling up the coolant and it starts freaking pouring on me.